Hey, what's going on, people? It's Marlon, your Webull trader. I wanted to start making videos to show people some of my trades. As of lately, I've been doing a lot of ugaz and dgaz, inverse ETNs. If you guys are traders of inverse ETNs, then you know it's getting kind of limited for us with NuGet and Dust dropping theirs from 3 times to 2 times, and DWT and UWT possibly getting delisted. So 2 of my favorite inverse ETNs, well, 2 pairs of my favorite inverse ETNs are TQQQ, SQQQ, and ugaz and dgaz. You know, so I want to show you a trade I made from dgaz yesterday. So yesterday I bought dgaz. What I like to do is, I have seen that dgaz usually have a range from about, let's say, 290, maybe 305-ish, up to a possible 380. You know, sometimes it don't go up to 380. I normally do a stop loss once it get over to where I made a good amount of money. But if it hasn't gone that far up, then, you know, I'll just sell it and make a couple $100. So yesterday I bought ugaz when it was at 307, right? So I bought it at 307. It looks like over here somewhere, and I sold it today because with Webull you could actually sell pre-market. So I sold it today when it was right here. We see that it had some type of resistance right here, so that's where I sold it, actually a little higher up at 348. Once the market opened, it ended up shooting up more. It's currently at 374 now. So I just bought 200 shares of ugaz. I'm hoping ugaz goes from 20, I think it's at 21. I'm hoping it goes from 22 up to about 24, 25. I'll be fine with that. Make a quick profit and get out. The name of the game is to make profit. Watch the stocks that you're watching, know their pattern. No one's good for you to get in and get out. Make that quick profit and stop trading. You don't have to trade. If it doesn't reach the level you want it to, then you trade another day. You save your day trades if you don't have over 25k. I'm gonna do some more videos about my strategies in ugaz, and you know, hopefully you guys can learn something from me and, you know, make some money. But like I said, ugaz, I normally do the EMA lines, but with ugaz I know it so much that I feel like I don't really have to, but I still use it somewhat. So as I said, right now I'm just waiting for ugaz to possibly hit 24-ish, maybe 25. I'm hoping it does it between today and 9 o'clock tomorrow, because tomorrow is the natural gas report, and I have a feeling that after the natural gas report, dgaz will shoot all the way back up. So I'm hoping that I could make some money on ugaz, dgaz drop, and then I get dgaz cheap and make some more money again tomorrow. So I'll let you guys know how it turn out.